Good morning, Kern County, and welcome to another episode of Kern Living. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and we love our first responders and we love our healthcare workers. So it is National Health Center Week. I got it right. And we have Deanna with us today. How are you?
Good morning. I'm great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm well because you're here. We're talking about wellness, and you're going to explain to us what National Healthcare Week is.
Yes. So National Health Center Week is an annual celebration, and the goal is really to raise awareness about the mission and the accomplishments of health centers all over America. So every time we do this, there's a topic every single day. This year, the topics are going to be, staff appreciation, patient appreciation, healthcare for the homeless, agricultural workers day, and healthcare for children.
Okay, well, I hope at least one day out of the week they're giving you all cookies or ice cream
I hope
or
so
something
too.
like that. Well, can you tell me about federally qualified health centers' roles in our nation's health?
Sure. Federally qualified health centers, they're really important because they provide health care to people that need it the most, regardless of their ability to pay. And that's what's really important there. So, for Omni Family Health, we not only serve big cities, like Fresno and Bakersfield, but we also seek out underserved areas. We look for those rural areas, the underserved, and people that might not be able to afford healthcare, and we make sure that it's available for them.
That's awesome. Now, as a healthcare worker, what does that mean to you?
Yeah, well, we've done some really cool programs with Omni that have really impacted me and I think are just so neat. One that comes to mind is where they went out to the fields where people were working and just met them there and helped them sign up for insurance. Another one was doing a women's health screening event, looking for women that don't have any insurance and making sure they get pap smears and mammograms for free, regardless of their ability to pay. So that's really what it's all about.
That's beautiful. I don't know how you do this without crying. I would have just been tearing up because
there are sometimes
beautiful.
tears.
Yeah. Now, what made you decide to work for an organization such as this?
Well, I grew up in a healthcare family, so I wanted to follow in the footsteps of my father, who just so happens to be an Omni Family Health provider as well, actually. Yeah, my father's been a doctor with Omni his entire career, more than 36 years. And when I was younger, I'd watch him go out to the city of Buttonwillow. And it's far, it's like 30 minutes outside of town, and it's a small farm community. And he started to just kind of fall in love with the people and the community out there. And I think his patients appreciated, having a doctor that would come to them, that could speak his language and speak their language, and so I saw this passion grow and I knew I wanted to be a part of that one day. So I got into healthcare and trying to serve people the best that I can.
That's awesome. That's great. We need more of you in this industry, but I know Omni Family Health is great overall. So again, thank you. Thank you for sharing this, sharing your story.
Thank you.
Where can everybody find Omni Family Health on social media?
So on social media, you can find us on Facebook. We are on Instagram, and we also have a YouTube account. So look us up, follow us. We're always posting events that are going on or, our different clinics. So look us up online.
Thank you. Thank you so much for coming as well.
Thanks for having me.
Make sure you follow us on Instagram at Kern Living and myself at Ryan Nelson 23, and I will see you next time.